Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to replace background in Capcut. So first of all, we need to open our Capcut. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead right here to the editing, and you will see the interface just like this. I'm gonna click the new project, and I'm gonna click my background. Alright, so let's say for example I'm using this for the sake of this video. So I'm gonna just add an overlay, which is the first one in the middle. I'm gonna just go ahead right here and add, and I'm gonna search in the pictures. Okay, I'm gonna just select this one. Okay, and as you can see, this is the picture that I added right here in Capcut. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just see the options right here: split, blend, automation, and you're gonna see right here the cutout. Okay, I'm gonna just click this one, and I'm gonna click the first one, which is remove background. And as you can see, the background has been removed, and you will see the picture with the background on it. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.